Number 2 is Snapmaker Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. When creating the perfect helmet, you want a 3D printer that can do it all. That's where the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer comes in. Its extensive work area and modular design make it the perfect machine for all your helmet making needs. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T and A350T models offer various modules and add-ons to customize your 3D printer. You can create enclosures, use rotary modules, add an emergency stop button, a can hub, or even an air purifier to ensure your workspace stays clean and safe. The A350T/A250T linear modules come with TMC 2209 stepper motor driver chips that substantially reduce noise levels. And with the new power module, your machine operates much quieter than before. Regarding speed and stability, Snapmaker 2.0 doesn't disappoint. The leads of the X and Y-axis screw rods have been increased from 8mm to 20mm, ensuring fast and stable printing without sacrificing quality. So whether you're making a helmet for cosplay or practical purposes, the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer is the ultimate machine to unlock your full creative potential. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it.